they're drilling. It's still construction still going on over here.
So beautiful here.
So beautiful.
This is a new renovated room from Bellagio, and we are the first who checked this room.
It's April 2021 and Bellagio just started selling the new renovated rooms. And reportedly they have spent some $100 million to renovate the main tower and all of the 2,500 rooms. The last renovation was back in 2015, so it took them quite a while to keep up with the luxurious status.
So let's check what do we have here in this Premier King room. The first, it's a pretty small and pretty expensive room because for this money you can get suite, but old suite. Here we have this signature couch, we have this beautiful table, coffee table, bar station, king bed, two nightstand and this special TV. It's not super big, but it's cool. And seems like here it's very strong, fresh construction smell. I don't know how can I sleep here, but let's try. And now let's check the bathroom because like it's bigger than this room. Let's go. Last time we have here bathtub. Right now we have a giant shower for you and your friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably I will do bubble party here in the shower. And for this luxury room we have pretty small closet. And here we have some safe. Of course, it's a Bellagio, as you know, it's a goldish color. And we have two bathrobe, but actually it's no sleepers. Iron. So, and pretty much that's it. So you have to request these sleepers and we have just one luggage stand. I don't know, usually luxury hotels have two, but in this one just one. Probably this small room for one person. So do not take your girlfriend with you, go yourself. Hey babe, how do you like this room?
I'm very excited about these rooms because remember last time we stayed here like 5 years ago and everything felt a little dated, you know. Every time I think about Las Vegas, Bellagio comes to my mind and everyone dreams to come here and stay in Bellagio. So I'm very excited that at last they have these new beautiful redesigned rooms that are luxurious. They feel simple, they have high quality materials and these earthy colors. They let you blend in and relax. They advertise it as the design resembles the Bellagio fountains and it's like water, sunshine and sunrise and you just feel nice here. I love it. Even though the whole main tower is supposed to be redesigned, like 2,500 rooms at this moment, we were told that only 2 floors are available, 27th and 28th, and yeah, I'm excited to see how the suites are gonna look because at this moment this Premier King is the only one that you can have, the only options that you can have.
But be ready for construction sound. later.
Still drilling strong. It's funny.
So let's talk about new technology. What do you have in this room? We have this shades control. You can open and close your window automatically, and I don't understand why people invest in millions of money in renovation, but we still have this old guy. So I can connect it my phone to this station because like it's for iPhone 4. I don't understand. And I found one old switch. So it's a little bit sad because everything is brand new. I know it's a new room, but let's check the dusty places. Usually this guy is super dirty. Now it's a new, it's super clean. Look at this. Look. Screw. Let's check the most important part. TV controller. It says clean for your safety. But it's dirty. Usually it's super dirty. Oh, it's clean. Let's check another one. And here as well, like some construction trash. And I wanna check this headboard. Yeah, it's clean. Of course it's clean, it's a brand new room. Let's check the light. No, this guy is clean as well. Clean? Yeah, it's clean. And mirror is clean.
Just still constructions.
Yeah, of course, you get a renovated room, so you have construction noise, of course. Everything works. And let's check the yellow stain. Everything is clean. And looks like this mattress also brand new. Especially for Bellagio. Probably the sheets are old, but it's clean. My first time here 5 years ago, I just did one small mistake. From this fridge, I pull out everything to put my champagne, because I want a cold champagne, not hot. It automatically charged my room and I have a huge bill when I check out. And now we have here small shelf for your own champagne. Just like take 5 years for this small upgrade. And they even promote it on website, of course.
Let's explore the common ground.
Yes, the hall is beautiful. I like it.
Yeah. fountain.
It was.
Just $65 and it's mine.
Are you sure you wanna?
No.
Good morning, guys. We have $75 food credit. Let's see if that's enough for breakfast in Bellagio.
Oops. I was trying to take just one.
It's mine.
Cheers! Good morning. So if you remember, we had our $75 as food and beverage credit, and actually it's more than enough. So maybe we'll have some more coffee somewhere, just like in patisserie. Yeah, it's really good. Good value.
Yeah, our check is $62 and food is so delicious.
And we'll add some lots of tips with this food.
Yeah, and cool gym.
Yeah, it's a full-size gym. But I always ask the same question: who works out in Las Vegas?
You and me.
Yeah.
So, overall, it's a good renovated room. I love the design, I love this beautiful art combination with like blue color, you know, it's like something new. You feel in almost luxurious hotel.
But they left some old stuff behind, like some old switches and some old radio station, which is super weird. And also, I'm not sure why, but we have a super tiny small window. Usually in Bellagio we have panoramic views. I'm not even talking about the Bellagio fountain view, because this one has a very modest view of the pool. Maybe that's just something that was left for our days. Anyways, when you are making a reservation, make sure that you have your confirmation with you.
Yes.
Because this is the first problem that we encountered at the check-in, because the lady basically just said that I booked a different room, that they don't have any renovated rooms at all. And yeah, so that was a big surprise, and she had to call her manager, and it took us pretty much like half an hour to get our renovated room.
Yeah, and be ready, a lot of construction noise and construction odor in the room.
Yeah, so that's...
You don't feel like real luxury hotel. I don't know why, I can explain this, but everything is beautiful, but on the other side, it's a little bit, you know, like half step back from luxury.
Yeah, I think they just missed some small points, small touches to make it like 100% luxurious experience. So yeah, and anyways, it's your experience in any hotel will largely depend on the rooms, the view, and a lot of small details that you are getting with this. So I'm sure that when they have renovated suites with Bellagio fountain views, that's going to be a lot different experience, something that we might enjoy better. Maybe it just takes time, because you know, for now they have only 2 floors open and they are still testing everything, and there is of course still construction going on. So maybe if you come a little bit later, like in a month, in a 2, or maybe in a half a year, it's gonna be a completely different experience, and they will remove all the cons from this construction, and you're gonna be like satisfied and more happy than we are at this moment.
So guys, subscribe to our channel and see you in next video. And small tip, if you haven't seen our video from Cosmopolitan Hotel, go below this video and click link to the Cosmopolitan video. It's a really good hotel.
Actually,
with
we
a
like-
fountain view.
We like Cosmopolitan a lot better than Bellagio.
Bye bye.